Hi, I'm Joel from the client server class, and today we'll be installing and configuring a web server using Apache server and a software called DYDNS. Okay, so the first step is to actually go onto the DYDNS website, that is .com, and create a free domain account. Here you could put it in and add it and fill out your credentials and whatnot. Next, you actually have to install something called the DYDNS updater. So I already downloaded it. I'm going to install it now. Next, it's installing. Okay, it's finished. Next, I'm going to input my username and password. Make sure I type the right thing. That username and password was the one that I inputted when I first registered at DNS. Okay, so I'm going to click apply. I'm going to click OK. Here you see I got a prompt below here telling me the service is good. Next I'm going to install Apache server. Click run. Next. Okay, so I'm going to put in my domain name, and I can get that by actually copying it from the DYDNS updater service. So I can come here and I could copy. I can paste it in. Type in a valid email address. Apache server installs. Okay, so during the installation you'll see a lot of black screens appearing. Okay, so it's finished now. We click finish. Well, is it working? Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to type the actual address in my browser. And there you see, it works. Let's try it again just to make sure. In Internet Explorer, I'm going to type the address. Pops up. And it works. In case this doesn't work, we can go to the router and check to see if port forwarding is configured correctly. So I type in the IP address of my router. I go to applications and gamings. I go to port forwarding. Here you see, I actually configured it before, so I have port 80 to forward from, the IP address that it's forwarding to, and well, port 80 to forward to as well. So I make sure I save my settings, and that's it. That's how I got this whole thing to work. But in case you're getting a little trouble configuring this, or you're getting like an error, like the site is live but it's not responding, you could maybe try going and creating a new rule, like to enable your port 80. I don't know, a lot of people experience these problems, and that could be one of the things that you could look at. But this has been how to configure and install a web server using Apache server. My name is Joel Rennie, a student of the client server class. Thank you. Have a good day.